Hi there. So if you are sending any templates recently using the WhatsApp Business API, you must have noticed that all your links are now shown as a preview already here. Now, if you're using Spur, it will show api.spurnow.com. Now, this is not good for the end user because they will be confused as to what is the link about. But as like the end brand, the reason we do this is because we want to track link clicks. So as you can see here, I sent the template and then I clicked on the link, and you could also see it in the same chat that the user clicked on this link. These are extremely helpful. This has been the same for the last couple of years with our platform. As a brand owner, you get the link tracking. In the chat, you can also see the link so the customer support or sales team knows. And this used to work very well. But now WhatsApp for all providers has implemented this. How do we fix it? It's simple. You first of all just see which template you want to update. So here the template was demo notebook 2. Then I will head to marketing tools, message templates, and open this template. Now I will duplicate the template. As soon as it's duplicated, all you have to do is scroll down, disable the click tracking, use the URL that you want to send, and before you hit submit, make sure to update the attribution settings. This is only applicable if you're using our Shopify or WooCommerce integration. You have to change your attribution to open or delivery based. Otherwise, the revenue also will not be tracked along with the clicks. So you just change it to, let's say, open based. The days are fine. Hit save. Now, click tracking is disabled. My link is here. I will scroll up and hit submit for review. Now, templates, as long as your limits are more than or 1000 messages a day and your FBM is verified, templates are approved within a minute. I've already created a copy, so let's go ahead and send. So I will pick up the template. Oh, it's already approved. Perfect. This is the template we just made. I will select it. Now, since you already entered the URL during the template creation, now it is a static URL. You don't need to enter it again. Of course, the downside is that with our template tracking, you could change the URL anytime you wanted to. But of course, the upsides are the conversions will increase because the users will see the exact link that you are sending them. I just uploaded the image and now I will hit send. So it's sent. Now I'll head to, I got it. And as you can see, the exact link I sent is shown in the preview, so users will not get confused. The upsides are more conversions using this method, and the downsides are you will not get any click tracking and you can't change the URL anytime. So anytime you want to change this call to action URL while sending a template, you will have to create a new template and get it approved. This is a change that WhatsApp has brought across all the platforms throughout their ecosystem. So it will be there as long as they wish to not change it going forward. But yeah, you can disable click tracking anytime. It's very easy to do. So that's about it. Thanks, founder of Spur. Bye-bye.